How to turn off notifications in Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can turn off notifications in Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you land on this interface, navigate to top left corner and tap on this three line icon. A menu bar will appear. Again, from here, tap on settings option. That's gonna take you to your profile setting page. Here, scroll down a bit and under settings, there you'll find an option as notifications and sounds. Tap on it. Now under sounds and notification, there are a bunch of options that you can customize. Now the first section, that is notifications for chat. Now if you like to turn off the notification for private chat, you can simply turn off this toggle. And similar with groups, channels, stories and reactions. So according to your preferences, you can toggle this on or toggle this off. If you scroll down a bit, there are more sounds and notification settings for calls, badge counter, in-app notifications, events and other. So you can check all of this out, and in order to turn off, simply turn off this toggle next to it. And if you like to turn on, you can again turn on this toggle. So this is the way to turn off notifications in Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.